Hey, so these days, you must have seen tons of AI videos going viral on social media, right? People are getting millions of views and gaining thousands of followers overnight. But today, I'm going to share something truly special with you. A trend that literally no one is talking about right now. You could be the very first to start it. And trust me, once you try what I'm about to show you, your video has every chance of going viral too. Now just look at this effect.
I found my voice, now here I am, seeing it all from where I stand. Stars are guiding me, fire burning beautifully, reaching out now, reaching out. You held my hand and together we roll.
It's seriously cool, right? And honestly, I doubt anyone else is using this exact style at the moment. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, head over to Mango AI. It's an insanely powerful AI video generator made to make content creation super easy and super fun. You can do everything from turning photos into talking videos, building animated avatars, instantly translating videos, and even creating your own custom avatar. It's quick, it's professional, and honestly, kind of fun to use. So go ahead and sign up. I've dropped the link for you right down in the description. Just click the Create AI Video button. Once you sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this, clean, simple, and super user-friendly. Right here, you'll find a bunch of powerful AI features. But as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we're focusing only on the AI singing feature, because that's what's hot right now. So there are two features here under this category, singing photo and singing animal, and we're gonna start with singing animal. Just click on Try It Now. Here, you'll need to upload a photo of an animal. Could be your pet dog, your cat, or any other animal. For now, I'll just use a cat image from Google. Next, we need to upload some audio. So here's the tip. If you want your video to go viral on Instagram, find a trending audio from Reels. Check what songs or sounds are trending, download that clip, you're ready. I already have one downloaded, so I'm going to simply drag and drop it here. Now choose a singing style. I'm going with joyful. I'll keep the pose scale and lip scale as default. And now let's click Generate Video. It'll take about a minute, and done! Our video is ready, let's check it out.
I found my voice, now here I am, seeing it all from where I stand. Stars are guiding me, fire burning beautifully.
Wow. The lip sync is actually working really well, and it's giving off a super funny vibe. I'm loving it. You should definitely give this feature a try. All right, that was the singing animal feature. Now let's try the singing photo feature. It works pretty much the same way. Just go to singing photo, upload any picture. Yes, even your own photo. I'll reuse the same music. But this time, I'll switch the singing style to operatic for a different feel. And now hit Generate AI Video. Done. The video is ready. Let's play it.
I found my voice, now here I am, seeing it all from where I stand. Stars are guiding me, fire burning beautifully, reaching out now, reaching out. You held my hand and together we roll. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But now I stand alone in my own. Bring me.
Not bad. The facial expressions look quite realistic and the lip sync is working quite well. Alright, so this was a short and fun little tutorial I wanted to share with you. Honestly, no one's really making videos on this trend yet, so if you act fast, you could be the one to start it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you've got any questions or doubts, just drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out.